A machine learning engineer may or may not be a data scientist, or a data scientist may or may not be a machine learning engineer or a researcher. Let's talk about it. So, this is an example. The first three columns, area in square feet, number of bedrooms, and furnished or not, define the price. So, in this case, price is an observation, and these three are inputs. If you look at it, 1100, these three lines have the same area with different bedrooms, 233, and furnished or not furnished with a different price. Now let's talk about it. This is input and this is an observation. So machine learning, what it can do is you will provide input and observation. It will train a model, and then based on the model, it can predict the price of a 1500 square feet home for which the price is not listed. And then it can say, hey, 1500 number of bedrooms and furnished or not. Based on this, think about a linear regression or a regression algo problem which we solved in our mathematics days. Now, data science approach is different. What they do is it's a science of extracting knowledge, business knowledge, and insights from the data. Suggest a hypothesis. So, a data scientist will suggest a hypothesis. Think about this. If the area in square feet is the same, but if the number of bedrooms are less, you're going to fetch a lower price. However, with the same number of area and the same number of bedrooms, with a furnished home, it's going to fetch you a higher price. That is what furnished homes have 20% premium. Homes with 3 bedrooms are more expensive than 2 bedrooms. So data scientist approach thinking and output would be different as compared to a machine learning algorithm. Now let's put all of these things together. So how does artificial intelligence work and how everything fits? So artificial intelligence is the biggest bucket and machine learning forms the core of artificial intelligence. However, not all algorithms or not all programs are machine learning programs. Let's talk about it. Deep learning is a specialized form of machine learning with activation nodes called as neurons. So activation nodes called as neurons, and this is very close analogous to a human brain neuron. It is not like a human brain, but it's based loosely based on the concept of how human brain works. We're going to talk about deep learning in the next few slides. Data science is a separate field. A data science program may or may not be categorized as artificial intelligence or even machine learning. There is an intersection, of course. So, data scientist or a machine learning person can do either or, but there is a separate field of study of data science, and machine learning is totally different. Then you have chatbots, RPAs, virtual assistants, and robotics, which all are part of artificial intelligence. They may or may not be machine learning. On top of it, you must have heard about supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. You also must have heard about GANs is generative adversary network, which is to synthesize some lip movement. Look it up on the internet, search for GANs and Obama, and you would see a fake video of Obama saying something which he never said. And then you would also hear some terms like TensorFlow, Keras, MXNet, Caffe, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, R, and Weka. These are all machine learning framework. Please note that R is a language and also be classified as a library or a framework. Same is Weka. All of these can also be enabled through Python. So Python is very commonly and widely used machine learning language. I hope this is now clear. Let's move on.